about another 30 minutes, finding more wood, cutting it up, getting it chained together. Got it on both sides now. They say third time's a charm, but if it don't happen the second time, I don't think there's gonna be no third time. We're gonna be finding somebody with a bulldozer. I managed to dig myself deeper. I'm trying to do this. Sitting on the frame now. But let's see what she does. Has anybody got a bulldozer? Thought about taking a come along, heavy duty one. I don't know how it's gonna work. The only other thing I can think of, take a chain through each one of these, tie it to a tree. Every time it gets around, tie it off. Or either tie it off back here at this axle. I do not want to do that. Tip number 2, fail.